Hi friends, Chuck Iger with the ATSF BNSF San Jacinto District. Look, we made it to Yuma and we're here at the layout. So the first thing I did was take a wire brush, which was one of these bad boys right over here, and went to work on stripping that woodland scenic static grass that didn't stand up. And I really wanted to thatch that so I can rework this area again. I sanded down Porch Road, and we're going to do some fill in with that, which is going to be great with modeling paste, and then go to work on really trying to capture the feel of this area from some of the pictures that we got. Boulders are going to be tough, but I'm going to try to do it up in here, and there's another picture on Porch Road right there. So what we're going to try to do is go somewhere between that 1964 picture and this. This is kind of cool from 2007. It's a little more age appropriate versus 1964, because at that point, as you've seen in the pictures, that road is just basically a dirt road, out in the weeds. And we're going to come back over everything with the one and only, I hope this works, this is your Hello Hobby Desert Tan Chalk Acrylic Paint. We're going to thin that down and mop that on box springs to try to bring out more of the desert, Southern California desert sand look.